Interactive Excel dashboards allow you to analyze, filter, and visualize your data so that you can see trends and make informed decisions. Now, in this online Excel dashboard course that's hosted by the Controller Institute, I show you how you can build such dashboards from scratch without any VBA. I'm Leila. I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I'm a Microsoft Excel MVP and a best-selling Excel instructor. I run excelpost.com, where I help companies use Excel better through customized training and programming to optimize processes. In this training, you will learn best practice for dashboard design, most important formulas for dashboards. Now, they're going to come in handy for complex data analysis, also for when you create static reports. We're also going to look at how we can handle different source data. So for example, your source data might be in separate text files, or you might be using add-ins from Oracle, SAP, or other BI tools. We'll take a look at how we can use form controls to get interactivity in our reports, and how we can use powerful visual techniques so the content is easier to read. Now, the best part is we're going to combine all this knowledge and we're going to create 2 separate dashboards from scratch. This course comes with workbooks, templates, tools, and checklists that can be applied directly to your business. You can consume the content of this course anytime you'd like, so anytime that fits your schedule after the course officially opens. Now, we're also going to hold an online Q&A session to address any questions you might have, and the timing of that session is going to be communicated separately. I look forward to seeing you inside the course.